Let's take a legal deep dive into this national case. Attorney Josh Kolsrud joins me once again. Explain exactly what happens in these parole hearings.
Yeah, thank you. So when I was a prosecutor, I often had to go to these. And what the parole board wants to determine is whether or not the defendant is a substantial danger to the community. And they want to hear from the defendant, and they want to hear that he accepts responsibility, and they want to hear from the victims, and obviously from the lawyers in the case.
So we know that each hearing could last at least 4 hours. When will we know if they actually will get parole?
So typically, the parole board will make its determination at the conclusion of each hearing. So both brothers should have a determination by tomorrow. If they allow the parole to take place, the case they still won't be let out, for example. It'll have
not immediately, yeah.
Yep, they'll have 120 days that the general counsel of the parole board will look at it, and then Gavin Newsom, the governor, will have the ultimate say.
So is it possible that each one could have a different outcome? Like one could and one may not be, allowed?
It's technically possible, but their conduct was so similar. The premeditated murder, the viciousness of shooting their parents with shotguns was so horrible, and it was both of them doing that together. So I fully expect that they will both have the same result in this case.
And so you do think that they will be granted parole?
I do. I think that the judge allowing this to take place and already making a determination that they're not a substantial danger to the community goes a really long way. I think that if you're a betting person, the odds favor that they'll be released probably around Christmas or January of next year.
All right. Well, we will see what happens later today. Hopefully we'll get the results, and obviously tomorrow as well. Josh, thanks so much for your insight.
Thank you.
Thanks. Troy?
All right, a window seat is defined by having a window, right? Well, that is